Oh my god. Well, Roblox is crashing. Apparently, why Roblox is crashing? It's today we will figure it out. So, I checked out on the Twitter and many people are reporting that Roblox nearly went down for me and showed an error message while joining. Then we got tweet from that crazy Ash guy and many people are reporting the Roblox is crashing, freezing and there is error message. Taking a look at the down detector, here you can see currently many people are reporting Roblox is down. There is onto the Twitter we are getting some recent status update. So a very small amount of players may be having issue with trying to gain access to Roblox website, and the errors, some player may be getting vastly different errors and some may just have degraded web performance. So it's just a maintenance thing that they are doing. So it's from the Roblox news and info. Looks like they are doing some scheduled maintenance and that kind of thing. So that's why Roblox is down for right now. For many people, error looks like this: an unexpected error occurred and Roblox needs to quit. We are sorry. So looks like the error is from the server side, and once they fix this error, you will be able to play the Roblox. So that's it for today's video. I hope this video was somewhat informational. If that is the case, hit that like, share this video, subscribe to our channel, and this is Kedar from How To Guys signing out.